In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your inbox on Gmail. Whether you're completely new to Gmail or just need a little refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Together, we'll explore how to navigate your Gmail inbox, ensuring you never miss an important email again. To start, you'll need to open your preferred web browser, be it Chrome, Firefox, or perhaps something else entirely. Once you're there, type in www.gmail.com in the address bar and hit enter. You'll find yourself on the Gmail sign-in page. If this is your first time or you're signing in from a new device, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials, which is your email address followed by your password. Keep in mind that your password is case sensitive, so double check for any mistakes there. If you've already signed in on this device, bingo, Gmail will likely take you straight to your inbox. Now, once you're signed in, you'll notice that Gmail will automatically direct you to your inbox. This is where all your lovely emails are housed unless they've been filtered somewhere else. The inbox is your main hub. Any new or unread emails will typically appear at the top unless you've configured your settings otherwise. Gmail does a fantastic job of sorting your emails with tabs like primary, social, and promotions, aiming to separate the important stuff from the less urgent emails. This organization feature is quite helpful because it allows you to focus on what truly needs your attention. In the left-hand column, you'll notice a series of navigation options. Your inbox is at the top, marked by a small envelope icon. You can click on the different tabs to view emails in their respective categories. If you receive a variety of emails, these categories can help streamline your email checking process. Make it a point to glance through each tab once in a while so you don't accidentally overlook something important. One valuable tip is to regularly refresh your inbox to ensure you're receiving the latest emails. This can be done by clicking the circular arrow at the top of the list or simply pressing the F5 key on your keyboard. Refreshing reinstates any changes, whether it's a new email that just hit your inbox or one marked as important. In case you want to compose an email, check the red Compose button in the upper left corner. Clicking it will open a new message window, allowing you to reach out to contacts quickly. It's tidy, minimal, and keeps you free from distractions. Lastly, don't forget the crucial task of signing out after you've finished checking your messages, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture or letter circle in the top right corner and selecting Sign Out from the drop-down menu. And there you have it. Checking your Gmail inbox is simple once you get the hang of it. Happy emailing and see you in the next video.